Clint here from 50 Campfires. We are up on the North Shore in Minnesota, and it's been a long day of hiking and sightseeing and running around, and we got back to camp pretty late and we're all pretty exhausted and starving. And we decided that homemade spaghetti sounded awesome, so that's what we did. We're just getting ready to dig in. But I wanted to take just a minute and talk about what it's been like cooking with the Vistabule Teardrop trailer the last 4 days up here. And to summarize it, it's been awesome. It is so handy. The thing is, like, the trailer as a whole is so small and easy to run around with, and it's been so easy for us to pull over, flip this thing up, make sandwiches. We made burgers the other night. That was pretty great. And when we were doing that, it was actually raining pretty good, and there were 3 of us standing underneath here, and we were pretty surprised that there's plenty of overhang. We all stayed bone dry, and also we got the kind of the wings on the side here that helped out quite a bit. The storage is pretty great on this thing. I mean, there's plenty of space for 2 people. That's generally who you're going to be traveling with, 1 or 2 people in a teardrop trailer like this. So this one came with a couple upgrades that we've been absolutely loving. The CFX 35W cooler from Dometic has been fantastic. So this thing is staying cold the whole time we've been up here, thanks to the 130 watt solar panels on the roof and the 100 amp hour battery. We haven't plugged it in once, and that has been pretty surprising to me. It's just been incredibly efficient. We've been able to charge camera gear, and then while we're kind of driving around during the day, those solar panels on top are topping off the battery. So I'm pretty surprised that system has been able to keep the cooler going the whole time. We also have the Dometic stovetop built in on here, and then there's a little switch back here where we can turn the pump on. Bam, and we have the sink. So that's been really nice. The sprayer's been nice for helping to wash dishes and things like that. We got all our silverware up here. So just the way that it's designed, it's very thoughtfully designed. We have a couple cutouts back here on this side, which is great for bottles of wine or olive oil or things like that. Over here you got your coffee cups, and then there's a spice rack just behind that. In here, we just been keeping our coffee back here, but the way the whole thing is designed is all the things that that we've been using the most, that kind of day in, day out, are all at hand. And so it's been really easy to get at everything. So there really hasn't been a need as far as food goes, as far as cooking goes. We've had everything kind of out here, and we haven't had to put anything on the inside or anything like that really. And obviously with the addition of the cooler, but I'm getting pretty hungry. I think we're getting ready to eat. But people have a lot of questions about kind of because the galley, the cooking area on the Vistabule is really, I think, one of the big benefits of the way this thing's designed. So I hope that's helpful if you've been taking a look at them and you want to know what it's like to kind of cook out here day in, day out on the road, at the campsite, all over the place. It's been great for us, so definitely check them out.